And let's take forward our discussion. Ambassador Ashok Sajjanhar, former Indian ambassador, is with us, and also Shama Mishra is joining us from Mumbai with the latest on how Mumbai is celebrating this day, which has a very significant presence in India's journey as a republic. Well, Shama, coming to you, tell us about the celebrations there in Mumbai. How are people also becoming part of the celebrations increasingly for such events and such national celebrations like the Republic Day?
Well, Mumun, happy Republic Day to all our viewers. And as you rightly said, that Mumbai has played an important role in the journey. And right now we are here at a very heritage and a unique point, which is also called as the selfie point. And right behind me, you can see this is the BMC headquarters. You would be remembering recently the BMC elections were held and they were completed. And here the unfurling of our tricolor has already been done. There were people from the Mumbai Fire Brigade department. They had shown their way of, they showcased their culture, they showcased their way. And if you see down, if I'd like to ask my camera person to show you the part where it is red colored, behind this curtain is around 80 years old Mumbai Fire Brigade's ladder mounted fire vehicle, which was used during the infamous Mumbai dock fire, and this has been restored, and this is part of the celebrations for Republic Day. Also, as I mentioned, that this place is famous and called as a selfie point. There are people, let's try and talk to them. Ma'am, how are you feeling today, and as we are celebrating our Republic Day, what would you like to tell our viewers?
हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरा सौभाग्य है मेरा फ्रीडम फाइटर की लड़की हो. हाँ, तो वो तो गुजर गए मेरे पिताजी. उसका नाम था जोगेश चंद्र चक्रवर्ती. जब पाकिस्तान वेस्ट बंगाल भाग हुआ तो मेरे पिताजी वेस्ट बंगाल में चला आया.
तो आज के आप जनरेशन को जब देखते हैं तो आपको कितना प्राउड लगता है, कैसा लगता है कि आपके फादर फायर फाइटर थे, देश के लिए उन्होंने काम किया?
देश के लिए किया. तब मैं तो छोटी थी, लेकिन वहाँ का और यहाँ का बहुत फर्क है. अच्छा. हाँ, मेरा पिताजी के दान ध्यान थे, वो तो अभी तक नहीं है. अच्छा,
ठीक है, हमसे बात करने के लिए धन्यवाद. Munun, I'd like to show you another heritage point over here. This is the CSMT, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, and this is UNESCO World Heritage. Here also the Central Railway headquarters are there. They have also unfurled their, there are people who are waving us. Let's talk to them as well. You've come here today at the selfie point. What would you like to tell our viewers on the occasion of Republic Day?
यस मैडम, ये काफ़ी मतलब हमारे लिए एज इंडियन काफ़ी गर्व की बात है कि एज 26 जनवरी को हम रिपब्लिक हुए. और यहाँ पर CST स्टेशन के बाहर और BMC के हेडक्वार्टर के बाहर जो एक नज़ारा रहता है वो काफ़ी मतलब दिल को छू जाता है. और हम एज अ इंडियन काफ़ी प्राउड फील करते हैं इस बात के लिए. और DD नेशनल का भी काफ़ी धन्यवाद, क्योंकि DD नेशनल इंडिया ने हमें मतलब बचपन से ही जो रिपब्लिक डे परेड हो या फिर काफी सारे प्रोग्राम्स हो वो दिखाए हैं, इसलिए हम उनके भी मतलब शुक्रगुजार हैं.
Okay, thank you so much. So, lot of different types of people over here, and each one has a story, and each one has a very emotional connect with the country and also with DD Doordarshan as a whole. So, I was also showing you the places over here which are heritage buildings, which are which are of national importance, and people from all walks of life are coming over here, and this will be throughout the day. We will also be seeing bike rallies, car rallies, and today on the occasion of Republic Day, there's a special vintage car rally that would be taken out from the Cuff Parade area, which is one end of Mumbai, to the coastal road, which is newly built, and all the cars which are around 95 years old, 80 years old, they will be running on the streets of Mumbai. So it will be a view to see, and Mumbaikars are celebrating Republic Day in their own way.
Indeed. Also, Shama, since Mumbai is seen as the financial capital of India. So in that respect, what kind of celebrations are we expecting? And what about the youth and also civic groups? After all, it is an area you're in front of one of these areas where people congregate, and generally, in the vibrant culture of Mumbai, the resilience of Mumbai is seen all the time.
Well, definitely. This is a point where the Mumbai actually begins. If you see the boats Mumbai, you'll find it at Gateway of India or Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, which is an identity of Mumbai. So people coming out from all walks of life. And as I was mentioning, recently the BMC elections were held. So in that, another point that came out, that Mumbai is for everybody. And when I say everybody, people from across the country, they've come here and they've built a life for themselves. So each one of them, each family of them, they are bringing their own way of celebrating the Republic Day. And while we are talking about youth, while we are talking about the younger generation, we all know that today is a holiday, but schools, colleges, organizations, institutions, offices, they all call their people for a special flag unfurling ceremony.
Right.
And it is the morning time that all people, they dressed up in whites or the tricolors color. They come there and they like to showcase their pride. They like to showcase their patriotism for the country. And you'll definitely see after Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged people to, unfurl or to have the flags, the tricolor at their homes, at their balconies. You will see this has become a common scenario here in Mumbai, that balconies, offices, they will have the national tricolor flying off from the balconies, and the societies as well, the buildings also, they organize these kind of cultural programs, which is followed by unfurling of the tricolor.
Right.
Young kids, small kids, they come out and they are dressed up as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and other freedom fighters to show the world, to show people that
Yes.
the pride, the legacy of Republic Day, or the freedom that we've gotten is with them. And this is definitely a proud moment for entire Mumbai, entire Maharashtra. And while we are talking about celebrations, a huge celebration will be commencing soon at Mumbai's famous ground, Shivaji Park, where Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, he'll be unfurling the tricolor, and there'll be parades, there'll be different contingents coming across that particular area. And different offices, different organizations like the CSMT Heritage Building, the Mantralaya, the Gateway of India, these all structures were lit up in tricolor colors yesterday night, and it will be done today as well. So these kind of celebrations we are seeing, and this will be going on for a day or two. Also at Gateway of India, we did see military band,
Yes, Shyama.
which captured the essence of Republic Day.
Yeah, we leave it there for the moment. Thanks very much, Shyama Mishra, for joining us from Mumbai and putting that, the vibrant colors of Mumbai into context.